Hello, and welcome to another video of random videos on YouTube. Today we are going to review and show the application of Hydro Interior by the Chemical Guys. I made the first application of the Hydro Interior about 4 weeks ago, and the car looks excellent with only a few dust particles here and there. Usually it would have been way dustier. It only requires a few sprays to cover the whole interior. The Hydro Interior uses ceramic coating technology based on their claims, which makes the area you applied hydrophobic and has the characteristic of not letting dust sit. I have bought the Hydro Interior from Amazon and also their microfiber towel. Links on the description. Of course, you can use any microfiber. Just make sure they are decent quality. Although in their instructions they don't mention wiping your interior beforehand, I tend to do it regardless, just to make it better for the application. If your car is way too dirty, it might be a good idea to do a proper deep clean before applying, as it's not magic. After you wipe your interior, you simply have to spray 2 to 3 sprays on the microfiber towel and use a different one than the one you wiped the dust off. I like to break the car into sections and apply first to the section that I start, and once I have gone through the whole section, I get a third towel to buff it up and make sure any excess is gone. I also apply some more sprays when I go to a new section. Overall is a great product, and it does what it's supposed to do, and it will keep your car reasonably clean as long as you keep reapplying every few weeks. A bottle should easily last you for a year. For your convenience, the links to the products from Amazon are in the description, but your local auto shop should sell the Hydro Interior. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to subscribe.